Everybody's sleeping and dreaming. Gray is struggling. I think Blue is right there. Big fat butt right there. She has a belly. He keeps moving. Look what he's doing. She's all by herself. Because she was the last one eating her mom. The goat milk is really doing good for the runt. She drinks it every time. The one on his back, the tan one, he is the runt. I mean the black one. He's the black one right there. Then you got aqua, pink, brown, blue, green, white, yellow, teal, the runt right there under teal, the gray one, the orange one, and purple right there in the corner. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to buy foam and pool noodles to put on these bars, because I don't like how they can stick their noses through. Makes me nervous of what I heard about this cage, so every panel is going to be upgraded. I think I'm going to put it like two levels high, 2 bars. So put a pool noodle half on the bottom, like midway to that first line across, and then a pool noodle on the second line across, so they have a little pumping space. So yep, gonna do that probably tomorrow, because I'll want something to do. I'm still packing, so this room looks a little dingy. It won't focus. Too much shit floating around. I don't like that stuff floating around. I don't like it. I hope y'all see it. This room is the creepy room. We got something in our closet. I hope it's not there, but something in our closet. Really we've been paranoid about this closet, and our daughter goes in the closet for no reason. But this is our big walk-in closet, and it's the only one that nobody uses, and my daughter's not allowed in this room. She comes in here anyways and goes into the closet. Hey puppies. Anyways, sorry to bring up haunted shit, but this room freaks me out.